Hello, my name is Boris Anachin, and this is an introduction video to vocabulary in reading study. English and other language learners often face a problem of finding text that fits their vocabulary and knowledge level. Also, when a student stumbles upon a new word, having to stop reading to look up the word in the dictionary slows down the learning process. Vocabulary in reading study is a web application that solves these and several other problems, and whose purpose is to facilitate the learning of the new vocabulary. The application can be found on myvirs.com, and a user can easily navigate from a home page to several helpful sections on the left-hand side. As an example, a user is given 4 options to enter text. It can be entered manually into the text box. It can be uploaded as a doc file, a PDF file, and an image file. Let's try uploading the PDF file. After the text is extracted and analyzed, all the words are displayed as links, with each link opening a pop-up window with its definition. All the words are color-coded by their category. On the statistics page, readability score is conveniently displayed, which helps users to find text that matches their vocabulary knowledge level. This and several other features, as essential words list, school dictionary, vocabulary tests of different levels, translation services of one language into several others, all have been implemented in the previous version. However, the previous version had several shortcomings. As an example, when text was extracted from image files like this one that contains columns, the words were displayed in incorrect order. This problem has been fixed in the current version. As you can see, all the words are displayed in correct order now. Another problem that the previous version had was dealing with large files. It would load all the words from the file to the browser at once and would make the browser unresponsive. Also, sometimes it would cause out-of-memory error by a large database query that would load thousands of words into the memory and would make the application crash and require the server restart. This also made the application vulnerable to the attackers. This problem has been fixed in the current version, and now any file of any size can be uploaded safely. Also, files of up to 25 megabytes can be processed. The out-of-memory error was fixed by breaking down the large database query into smaller ones, and the problem with the browser becoming unresponsive was solved by adding an infinite scroll feature. As you can see, the text is loaded now one page at a time instead of being loaded into the browser all at once. Now, the problem that the previous version had was inability to upload image files larger than 1 megabyte. In addition, users were not able to upload a new file right after file upload failure without having to refresh the browser. This would sometimes create an impression of the application being broken. This bug has been fixed in the new version. Now a new file can be uploaded immediately right after the file upload failure without having to refresh the browser. A couple of improvements have been made to the Android app. The app was not allowed in the Google Play Store because of the donate button that it had. The button has been removed and the app is now available in the App Store. Also, AWS configuration has been changed so it saves 30% per year to the product owners. These are all the user stories completed in this semester. The architecture haven't changed since the last version. Angular Model View Controller is used for the front end. The backend is written in Java and MySQL is used for the database. Data queries are auto-generated by Sprint Data JPA. To summarize things, Vocabulary in Reading Study is a web application that facilitates the learning of new vocabulary. Several useful features have been added in this version. while all the previous features are still fully functional. And that's all for the introduction video. Thank you for listening.